Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a website on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then go to the websites page. And next to the website that you want to delete from your account on Hostinger, click on Manage. By the way, unfortunately, you can't delete the primary domain on your Bluehost. As you see here, this is your primary website. It cannot be deleted. But to delete the other website, for example, this one, click on Manage. Then go to the Advanced tab. Scroll down to Site Management, and you will see Delete Site Permanently. This way, you will delete your website, including all content, backups, databases permanently. Click on this red Delete Website button. This action cannot be undone. By deleting your website, you will remove all content, backups, yes, for example, deleting example.com. Also, you will delete, for example, deleting example.com or your website.com. Here, we would also delete any content in your website.com/blog or any other directories inside your website.com. Confirm the deletion by typing this address. Let's see if I can copy it. Yes, I can copy it. Now, click on this delete button. And just like that, your website is being deleted. They are still deleting the website. Let's refresh this page. And this is how to delete our website permanently on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.